What's up, internet people? I hope everyone is staying safe during this quarantine. In today's video, I just wanted to show you guys what I've been up to. I just started decorating and spicing up some of my old outfits with some patches that I got from either previous trips to Japan or from an online app called Mercari, which is like Poshmark or eBay, where the seller just sells things that they have. So I got a lot of these patches from a patch seller on that app as well. So the clothing that I have, first off, I have this old denim jacket. I also got this on Mercari. So I got it from someone, but she had never worn it before. This shirt I got from Zara in Japan a couple years ago. It's just an oversized button up. And then last but not least, I have a sweatshirt from Cotton On in New Zealand. It's oversized. I really like the color, but it has a stain in the middle. And I just wanted to keep it because it's so cute, but I just want to get rid of the stain basically. So the first patches that I have are a set of cranes. They're like opposite facing, but you can also have them face each other. I got these on Mercari, and they're iron-on patches, so they're really cute. They just easy iron on, and you can set them up however you'd like on the chest or on the back. And I also got this heart and this Akatsuki cloud. Shout out any Naruto fans out there. I just thought the colors looked really nice together, and the cloud was the perfect size to cover that stain on the sweatshirt. Next, I have another Naruto item. It is the kanji for gambling or bet that Tsunade wears. And after that, I have some yokai, I think, from a store in Japan. It's just like this dog and I think it's a gopher maybe, and like a rooster thing. And then I have from the Ghibli store in Japan, No Face and the little mouse from Spirited Away. I thought those were so cute. And then I have this It Is What It Is. I thought that would be perfect to go on the front of the denim jacket. And then I have this sign, it's the flash symbol. And then I have this little dog as well. All of these loose ones are from Mercari. So this Totoro with the mushroom is also from Mercari. And last but not least, I have this naked cat. I actually forget where I got that one from. But basically, I just took the cranes and I set them out where I thought would look good on the chest, facing each other, on the button-up shirt. On the sweatshirt, I just want to cover the stain. Basically going ahead and ironing the surface so that when you place down the iron-on patch, it's already warm underneath the iron. I took some cloth just to protect the iron, and then I ironed over it for about 30 seconds, applying an even pressure, and just check to make sure it's really on there. I did the same for the little heart. And basically this process is really easy. One thing I noticed is the Akatsuki cloud did transfer some of the color onto the cloth, but you want to use like a throwaway cloth anyway. But yeah, basically just for this one, went ahead again, laid it down, applied 30 or so seconds of pressure. And if any of the edges are peeling up, you could sew them down as well. But I was pretty lazy and I didn't really do that. I just ironed the surface and then ironed them on. And I pretty much just went and repeated this process for all of them. So this Tsunade symbol she wears on the back of her green coat. So I just went ahead and put it in the middle of the back of the denim jacket. And then on the left sleeve, I went ahead and kind of just randomly put these other patches down just because I thought it would look cool going down the sleeve, and I really like how it turned out. I wanted to have the It Is What It Is on the left breast pocket, and then underneath it I put the No Face and the little mouse, and then on the right pocket I put the 3 little spirits or yokai things from Japan. So that's really it for this video. I really like how all the items turned out, especially this denim jacket, just because there's so much going on that represents me, and you can customize it however you would like based on things that you like, and it's just a great statement piece, and I'd like to add more patches over time and kind of just make it like a really fun, eclectic jacket. And this whole DIY took like not even an hour probably, but I really like how everything came out. I really like these cranes as well. There's like a stain on the shirt, but I just think, the cranes really draw the attention away from that stain, and I'll get some more uses out of this shirt now. And this oversized sweatshirt I just think is really cute. The colors look so nice. And yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I hope you're having a wonderful morning, afternoon, evening time, whatever time it is, wherever you are in the world. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!